Okay, good day, dear students. We are going to continue with topic 2, second subtopic 2.2, integration of trigonometric function. Okay, now what is our learning objective for this lesson? At the end of the lesson, students should be able to find the integral of trigonometric function. So as we have learned before, the differentiation of trigonometry function. So we know when we differentiate sine x, we will be getting cos x, which means when we integrate cos x, we are going to get sine x plus c. So that's how we get integrate cos x is sine x, and also integrate sine x is negative cos x, and integration of secant square, cosecant square, secant x tangent x, and also cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, now we are going to use the given formulas to integrate the given example. In example 5a, what happens when we integrate sine 6x dx? So we know from the previous lecture notes, we know that integrate sine, we are going to get cos, but do not forget to divide by the differentiation of 6x, which is 6, and do not forget to plus c. Okay, next we know integrate cos, integrate sign will be giving us negative cos. So we have to be very careful here. Integrate sign will be giving negative cos. The final answer is negative cos 6x divided by 6 plus c. Okay, next we are going to see what happens when we integrate cos 4x plus 3. Integrate cos, we will be getting sine 4x plus 3 divided by 4, okay, and plus with c. Integrate cos is sine, and do not forget to divide by differentiation of the function. Okay, next we are going to look at what happens when we are given integration of sine square and cos square. Since we only know the integration of sine and cos, okay, we do not know what is the integration for sine square and cos square. We are going to transfer sine square into power 1. We are not going to use the power 2 to integrate. We are going to write it as power 1 because we only know how to integrate power 1. So we will be transferring sine square into, if we are given question sine square, we will be using the double angle formula where sine square is 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2, and cos square is cos 2a plus 1 divided by 2. For example, if we are given sine square 7x dx, okay, so this is not a normal algebra, this is quadratic, so we can't add the power, that will be wrong. So we need to make sure that this is not sine square x. We are going to write this square as power 1 using double angle formula. So what is sine square x? So sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So in this case, 1 minus cos 2x, x is 7x divided by 2. Do not forget your integral and dx sign. Okay, now we are going to integrate 1 minus, okay, 1 over 2, we can factorize 1 over 2. We are going to integrate 1 minus cos 14x dx. Okay, so it's a subtraction, so we can integrate term by term. Integrate 1, we will be getting x. Integrate cos 14x, you will be getting sine 14x divided by 14. Do not forget to plus c. So simplify this, we will be getting x over 2 minus sine 14x divided by 28 plus c. Okay, so I hope you can follow this. Next, we are going to look at cos square. What we must understand is we can't integrate square. So we are going to write this as power 1 using double angle formula. So using double angle formula, sorry, this is the formula for sine square. And the formula for cos square x is cos 2x cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. So that will be the formula for cos square x, double angle formula. So cos square 3x dx can be written as integral of cos 2x, x is 3x, plus 1 divided by 2 dx. So we can factorize 1 over 2. We will be left with cos 6x plus 1 dx. So what happens when we integrate cos 6x? We will be getting sine 6x divided by 6. Integrate 1. We will be getting x plus c. Okay, so when you simplify this, you will be getting sine 6x divided by 12 plus x over 2 plus c. Okay, so I hope that clears on how to integrate square, sine square and cos square. Okay, next we are going to look at if we are given integration of a trigonometry function where they are in the form of multiplication. So we know that we can't separate this and integrate term by term for multiplication. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the factor formula. We are going to change multiplication into addition or subtraction so that we are able to separate this and integrate them. Okay, now let's look at example 7. Let's say we need to integrate sine 4x cos 2x. So it's very clear that these two are in the form of multiplication. So for multiplication, we can't separate this. So we are going to use factor formula. The factor formula that we are going to use must have sine multiply cos. Okay. So the first formula is sine multiply cos. Sine A cos B. Okay, so what is sine A cos B? Sine A cos B is 1 over 2 sine A plus B. 1 over 2 sine. So this is your A, this is B. Sine A plus B will be 6x. Sine 6x. 1 over 2 sine 6x. Plus with sine A minus B. 4x minus 2x will be 2x dx. 1 over 2. Integrate 1 over 2. Okay, not forget the integral sign. Integrate 1 over 2 sine 6x plus sine 2x dx. Okay, so what happens when we integrate sine? We will be getting negative cos 6x over 6 and also negative cos 2x over 2 plus c. So the final answer, negative cos 6x over 12 minus cos 2x over 4 plus c. So that will be the final answer for integration of sine 4x multiply cos 2x. Next, we are going to look at integration of cos x multiply cos 5x dx. Okay. So among the three formulas, we are going to use the formula of multiplication of cos and cos. Okay. So what is cos A multiply cos B? 1 over 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. So for our formula, for our question, we are going to write this as integration of cos. We are not going to write x first. We are going to write 5x first. Okay, we are going to write the larger value in front so that for the minus here, subtraction here, we will get a negative value. So we preferably choose 5x as A and x as B. So this will result to 1 over 2 cos A plus B, which is 6x, plus with cos A minus B, which is 4x. Okay. dx. Okay, we need to integrate cos 6x plus cos 4x dx. So what happens when we integrate cos 6x? Okay, the answer here 1 over 2 integrate cos sine 6x divided by 6. Integrate cos 4x, we get sine 4x divided by 4 plus c. So the final answer sine 6x over 12 plus sine 4x over 4 plus c. Okay, that's for example 7b. Okay, so next we are looking at so we have done sine 4x and cos 2x. Okay, we have done all this. Okay, next we are looking for integration of also still multiplication but between sine and cos, where the sine and the cos is the same function ax. So we can use double angle formula where sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. For example, sine 6x cos 6x, please take note that the angle is the same. So when the angle is the same, we can use sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. This is your a, 2 sine a cos a. So this is equal to integral of, since there is a 2 in front, so if we bring it to the other side, it will become 1 over 2 sine 2a. A is 6x dx. So it will become 1 over 2 sine 12x dx. Okay, so what happens when we integrate sine? Integrate sine, we will get negative cos. Negative cos 12x. Do not forget to divide by 12 plus c. So final answer, negative cos, negative cos 12x divided by 24 plus c. Okay, so that will be the integration for trigonometry function. Okay, so techniques of integration I will be covering in my next video. Thank you for now.